Hello everyone, this is Ben from Creality 3D. I think some of you may already saw Naomi's latest video, which cooperates with Creality and shares the great news about Ender-3, fully open source. So today we also want to share this great news with you. The Ender-3 is now the first open source Hardware Association certified 3D printer in China. And that means we not just say it's open source and release very few files with very limited license. We release everything, which include the board, schematics, the CAD joints, the firmware, everything, for anyone who want to use however they want. As a Chinese company, we are very proud of the progress we made, and also hope you all be patient as we are work towards to the goal of having the culture of innovation and not relying on others. So please support the original products made by Chinese companies, which show they are willing to play by the rules and compete fairly. As we all know, in the end, it's better for anyone. So we are very excited about this, and hope you all too. So I also hope that we are able to bring more great news in the future. And if you like, please subscribe below, and we catch you all next time.